Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, how's your day?
My day was fine, sir.
Okay, let's proceed. Tell me about yourself.
Again, a pleasant morning to you, sir. To start, let me introduce myself first. I am Maria Isabel B. Alfeche, 18 years of age, and I live in Buraon, Iligan City. My interest is about environmental conservation, biodiversity protection, and sustainable practices. I like to learn about environmental issues and programs that will help communities manage natural resources responsibly. These interests keep me on focus on contributing impactful environmental work.
Okay, let's proceed to the next question. What skills do you have that makes you the best person for the job?
I have 3 essential skills that I believe makes me the best person for the job. First is my analytical skills. It will allow me to interpret data and assess environmental conditions accurately. Second is my problem-solving skills. It will allow me to develop practical and effective solutions to environmental issues. Lastly, my effective communication skills. It will allow me to clearly explain findings, write reports, coordinate with communities, agencies, and stakeholders to ensure that environmental policies are followed accurately.
Okay, now, are you ready for the last question?
Yes, sir.
Why should the company hire you?
The company should hire me because I can prove myself as an environmental specialist by showing my strong commitment to environmental protection and my ability to work responsibly in both field and office setting. I am eager to learn, highly motivated, and prepared to apply my analytical, problem-solving, and effective communication skills to support DNR programs. With my strong dedication, work ethic, and genuine passion for conserving natural resources, I believe that I am reliable and valuable addition to your department. Thank you.